All right, so let's go ahead and go over our spelling list for this week. Why did you do that? Come around and come and pick it up.
That's in the woods.
All right, let's go ahead and go over our spelling list. Let's point to each word as we spell them. First word, man, M-A-N, man, ran, R-A-N, ran, sun, S-U-N, sun, bus, B-U-S, bus, hot, point to it, H-O-T, hot. Next row, net, N-E-T, net, sit, S-I-T, sit, cub, C-U-B, cub, A, and the, T-H-E, the. Awesome. So we'll do our page today. So let's look at number 1, which is right underneath your list. It says, write the spelling words that start with S. Which 2 spelling words start with S? Sun and bus does not start with an S. It does have an S on the inside of it, but it does not start with an S. So sun is one of them. What's another word?
Sit.
Sit on your list. So write those 2 words on number 1. So sun and sit. Do we write in cursive in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Like I told you yesterday, some questions we can answer on our own. Okay, awesome. All right, hold on. Sign, sit.
I am done.
All right, let's look at number 2 on the bottom. It says color the words that rhyme with tan. So in order for words to rhyme, they will have the same ending sound. So whenever words rhyme, they don't have to start with the same letter. They will end with the same sound. No, we're at the bottom with the bananas. So when we hear tan, what was the ending sound? And. Which 2 words sound like tan? Let's look at the first banana. What word is that in the first banana?
Rain.
So does ran and tan sound the same?
Yeah.
So will we color this one?
Yeah.
Yes, so color it in with your pencil. Ran and tan do rhyme because they sound the exact same. Still not yet? No? Okay. You have it? Okay. Okay, let's look at the next word. Let's look at it. What is the next word? Sun. So we have tan and sun. Do they sound the same?
No.
Not quite. Now they both do have an N at the end, but remember they have to sound the same. So let's put an X on sun. Sun does not rhyme with tan. Okay, let's look at our third banana. What's the word?
Man.
Man. So we have tan, man. Do they sound the same?
Yeah.
Yes, so they rhyme. So we will go ahead and shade in man.
Man. Man. Okay, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I'm almost done.
Okay, good. Yeah. What's your name first? And then we will go back. All right, let's go to the back.
Mariah
Hold on, let me do it now. Okay. All right, Dennis, are you ready? Because I know you have your graph. Yes. No, he said no. Okay. So we will now number our. You have it, Abadi? Oh, you just have. Okay, you have it like that. So now on the left side of our graph, we will put our numbers. we have to match a number according to the box, okay? So that means when I start with 1, I will put 1 right next to the box. Do you see that? How I put 1? So go ahead and do that. Let me see. Just do number 1 right now. Yeah. So on the bottom of your graph, that is where you will put 1. On the first box. Yes, first box. At that one, first box. Not inside, on the side of it. On the side of it. Not inside the box, on the side of it. Okay, so now we go to our next box and we will put the number 2. Next box, we will put the number 2. Put that in your book set. On your next box, put the number 2. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at the back. So number 3, we will add a vowel to make a spelling word, okay? So look at the first one. We have S and T. What vowel would go between those 2 letters that would make one of our spelling words? What letter? Well, they have a T, a vowel. What are the vowels again? Okay. So we're adding one of these letters inside of the word. So you see they give you the beginning letter and the ending letter. We're adding the vowel. Okay, I think Tevin said it. What word would it be? Yes, sit. So put an I. It creates the word sit. Okay, do we have 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go ahead and add 3. And I will let you go ahead and finish. Let me see if you can finish on your own, finishing all the way to the top. Go ahead and number the rest of your boxes.
The words.
Yeah, you can put it on top of the words. The words are in the way, but you can still put them.
No, so we can start
Say that again. Yes, but I'm coming to the second one as well. Okay, so let's look at the next one. We're going to the one on the bottom, the one underneath it. Do you see where I am? Okay, so we have B and S. Which vowel would go in between B and S to create a spelling word? Micah? U, and what word would that create? Buzz. Good. What do you?
I knew it.
Oh. Hey, can you go to Miss Malone so we can put the air on, please? It's like extremely hot. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have an N and a T. What vowel would go in between N and T to create a spelling word? T, and it creates the word net. What she just answered. Okay. All right. Do we have a number? Let me see. If you have your graph, let me see. Yep. So that means it should have stopped at number 7. You did it correct. It should stop at number 7. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So now we already collected our information that we needed for our graph. So now we will put that into our graph. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, so let's start with Dennis. I'm not Dennis. Avaya, I didn't get your birthday. And Joshua, I didn't get your birthday. I think whenever we had did it, I don't think you guys had logged in that day. When is it? Yes. Okay, and Joshua, when is yours? Okay, next one we have. Okay. Last year. February 2nd.
No, that's my grandma.
7, when is yours? Your dad told you yesterday.
Huh?
When is yours?
September.
Your birthday's not in June.
December 5th.
Okay. Okay. Okay, next we have R and N. Which vowel would go in the middle of R and N? June 27th. Yeah. Kendall, which vowel? A. Is ran a spelling word? Yes, ran. Good. Put in A. So yes, man would have an A, hot would have an O. H and T would have an O for hot. Next one we have S and N. What vowel would go between S and N, Cairo? U to create the word sun. And then our last one, we have C and B. Which vowel will go between C and B? 7. Look at your spelling list. It's no reason to guess. It's on your spelling list. On the other side. No, I'm saying flip the page to look at your spelling list to see which word has C and B. So C and B would have U for cub, and do number 4, match the word to the picture. And that's it 2 times. Okay, so before we finish off with our Zoom, let's go ahead and practice our nouns definition. Does anyone know it without reading it? Okay, let me hear it, Aisha.
A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea.
Okay, good.
A noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing, or idea.
Awesome. Anybody else knows it completely? Cairo?
A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or
Awesome. Micah?
noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea.
Good.
A noun is the
Name.
noun is a thing of a person, place, or idea.
Almost. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Have y'all been practicing?
Yeah.
Okay, so your test is tomorrow, so make sure you know it. Okay, awesome. Yep. All right, so that is it for our spelling and language.